Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to use double quotes to display string. So given a string as input to your Python program, so your task is to print that particular string using the double quotes. So that is a problem statement, and the solution to this is, so you have to use a backward slash to escape the special meaning of a double quote. So double quote generally has a meaning, that means the string starts with the double quotes. So in order to escape that particular meaning, so you have to use the backward slash. So let's try to print the double quotes. So you can see this is my program. So if I try to execute this, so you can see the double quotes has not been printed. That means it has a special meaning. So whatever the inside this particular double quotes, so is considered as the, that is a string, and you have to print it. So in order to print whatever the string, so we have to use the backward slash. So let's use it. So let me take a variable string and use the input function called to ask a user to enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters, so it will be of string type and stored in this particular variable. So now in order to print the string in double quotes, so let's use a print function, and here let's use the print formatting, and let's try to print the string. This is string. Yeah, so if we try to execute this, so let's see how it works. So enter a string, so let's say hello. So you can see hello has been printed. So we need to print this using the double quotes. So let me close this. So in order to print the double quotes, so let's use a backward slash and use the double quotes here. That is at the start and this is at the end. So let's use backward slash and use a quote. So this is how you try to use the, that is backward slash, and try to escape the meaning of this particular character, that is a double quote. So if I try to execute this, so let's see how it works. So enter a string, so let's say hello. So you can see the string has been printed or displayed using the double quotes. So let me run it again. So let's say my string. So you can see my string has been uh, that is, it displays the double quotes around the string. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program, or how to use the backward slash in order to escape the special meaning of the double quotes. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.